Hey guys, I am coming to you with a Publix BOGO haul. And I swear I am still on the Pantry challenge. But if you saw an earlier video of mine, I said I would set aside $25 a month for any fantastic deals that might come up during this Pantry challenge that are on staples that I use on the regular that don't typically come on sale, especially if I have the opportunity to combine it with coupons, Ibotta, yada yada. So that's why you see all this in front of you. And let's go over it really quick. Let's start with the almost free cheese. These are BOGOs on sale, $4.83 each. So normally this would have been, call it $20 in cheese. But because of the BOGO, call it a little under 10. Publix also has in their extra savings flyer a $1 off of Cabot cheese, and that's a Publix coupon, and you can combine those with manufacturer's coupon. And then there are also dollar coupons off of 2 that you can get through the A1A Marathon website. I am a cheese nut. I probably was a mouse in another life, and I am certainly not overstocked on cheese. But you know, these things last for forever. Let's see what it says here on the expiration date. Until January of 25, assuming you haven't cracked this open, right? And of course you can freeze cheeses. And then my next great deal, you guys know me and my Springer Mountain Farms. Well, I have become a fiend for these crispy chicken strips. And these have gone up almost $1 a bag just in the last 3 months. The last time they had a sale on these was like late October, and I went to 2 stores and couldn't get any of these crispy ones. So it's been months and I'm completely out of these. For a 24-ounce bag, so a pound and a half, so 6 pounds of chicken. Let's round it up and call it $11 a bag. This would have been $41 for 4 bags, but on the BOGO that takes it down to a little under $21. And then it just so happens Springer Mountain Farms emailed me a coupon today, and those are $1.50 off per bag. So that took another $6 off, or call it $4 a bag for a pound and a half of pre-cooked chicken. And you just can't beat that, right? If you remember the video I put up a couple of weeks ago comparing fast family meals to fast food meals, I'll put a screenshot of that little spreadsheet that I use for the American meal. And the cheapest Walmart brand, which was nowhere near the quality of this, and it was almost $8. Organic, gluten-free, grass-fed, never any yada yada. So I decided I am not going to pass this up. We don't know how long a manufacturer will keep making coupons available on the regular like Springer Mountain Farms has done. So I went for it. And this fajita seasoning, Publix had those on a BOGO today. $1.89 a packet. I paid $1.89 times 2 because of the BOGO, so a little bit under $4 total for 4 packages. So now even the Walmart brand of the fajita seasoning is $1 now, and it doesn't taste nearly as good as the McCormick, which is absolutely my favorite. And then the crescent rolls, not a great shout out deal. They were on a BOGO, $4, so $2 a tube. And even Aldi's are $2 a tube now. And then the Hellmann's, that's on a BOGO. It's now a ridiculous price at Publix, $8.63. But there was a $2 digital on the Publix site, so that took it down to $6.83. Well, the Aldi brand is now up to $3.89 for the real mayonnaise. And I'm down to 1 jar. And this is one of those staples. I know you can make your own mayo, but olive oil is so expensive now. I'm not about to try to make my own mayonnaise when it's on sale. We do find great deals out there if we hunt real hard, but it's getting harder every day. And for example, you know, I love Ibotta, but look at this. Ibotta has $2 off a jar of mayo right now, but the only store it applies at is Walmart. Same thing with the Cabot cheese, 50 cents off. Only at Walmart. And I know they tend to be Walmart loyal there at Ibotta, but I have an experience from last week where the day before the Publix BOGO started, Ibotta had $4 off of the big jugs of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. And then the day after they went on BOGO, I checked my Ibotta account, and sure enough, it's like they caught on to the fact that Publix had a BOGO on it, and they took it off of their rebates. This is definitely happening. Our ability to save is eroding, at every little turn, it seems like. So this is why I made the decision to go ahead and invest, because this is enough chicken to last me 6 months. Now I might get into that once a week at the most, probably more like twice a month. And I know the mayonnaise will last me a good 3 months. I get into fajita chicken at least twice a month. So just to go over the receipt really quick. There's the Springer Mountain Farms, the Crescent Rolls, the Hellmann's, the McCormick. All right, so then there's the cheeses. Now where you see vendor coupon $1, that was got $1 off of 2. Then the $1.50 for the Springer Mountain Farms. And the Cabot cheese dollars, those were the extra savings $1 off. Then the Hellmann's, I had a digital coupon for the Pillsbury. And then because I bought over $15 worth of Hellmann's, I got another $3 off for this mayo. So that did take it down between the digital coupon and the $3 Unilever credit. I got $5 off of the $8.63. So I paid $3.63 at the register total for these 2 jars of mayo. $1.82 per jar. There's not another deal in town better than that. The bottom line here is I spent $35. There's no sales tax on food in Florida. And then because Publix did not have a BOGO sign up in front of the chicken, and the BOGO was not showing on my Publix website. The only reason why I knew about it was because Saving with Sarah and Holly Dean, the coupon queen, showed that particular type of chicken on a BOGO at their Publix. So I just took 2 up to the register and asked the guy first thing before I rang anything else to check and make sure they were coming up BOGO. Yes, they were. So I told him, go ahead and ring up 4, and then I'll go back and get the other 2 after we're done here. And because of that, he was only able, I guess, in his mind, to ring up 2 of my $1.50 coupons. So then afterwards, I went to the service desk, and they are so nice there, and they gave me $3 in cash for my other 2 coupons. And that would take it down to a net spend of $32. Now I know that's above the said I would spend on the really good deals at $25 a month, but last month I only spent $4.50 out of my $25. And hopefully I can stay out of the store for sure, with the exception of maybe some clearance veggies at Sprouts next weekend. But so far in February, again it's the 8th, I have spent $82 last week, if you saw that haul, and now $32 here. I'm up to $114, and I don't need a thing other than some produce. I have enough dairy to get me all the way to the end of February, etc., etc. I just wanted to share this all with you really quick in case any of you live in a Publix area. There are 7 states now that have a Publix, and you can go to the Springer Mountain Farms website and download those coupons and go get some cheap mayo and some cheap cheese, you guys. Get that stuff while you can, because my total savings, $64.53. So had these not been on sale, had I not had the coupons, just this pile of food here would have cost me $100. So I've gotten lucky on some great deals so far and spent a total of $130 January through February 8th. And the goal is to not spend more than $17 between now and the end of February, and I will be exactly on plan. It's going to take some good clearance deals. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you on the next one.